we're gonna do a classical music quiz B, terrifying edition.
Ayan.
Just wait, there's an ad.
Skip ad.
Toccata in Fa during B minor by Johann Sebastian Bach. Dies Irae from Requiem by Mozart. Dawn and Dance by Franz Liszt. Ercolini by Franz Schubert. Dies Irae from Requiem by Verdi. Little Red Riding Hood by Sergei Rachmaninoff. Etudes Noveles. Summer by Antonio Vivaldi from the Four Seasons. Revolutionary Etude by Frederick Chopin.